Good afternoon, my name is Leonard DiFranco. I'm with Sutton RV in beautiful Eugene, Oregon. And I'm going to be showing you the Sun Park 2024 Sunray 109 Sport. So here we go. We're going to start with, you can see how raised up the unit is. If you want to go off the beaten path. And you've got some real heavy duty tires on here. You've got a front window, which brings in a lot of the natural light. Around to the front here, we've got the electric power jack, better than the old crank. We've got a 20-pound propane tank. We've got a place for 2 batteries here, or 1, whichever you choose. Then we got the battery disconnect. We've got the safety chains here. On the driver's side, this is the exhaust for the furnace. We've got some storage here. We've got a light inside here, the storage, so you can see better. We've got up top here, we've got a gutter for the rain. This window here is the escape window, along with a lot more light inside the trailer. We've got the power hookup here for shore power, or you can do it at home, 30 amp. We've got an outdoor shower. We've got a cable hookup here for your TV or Wi-Fi. Here's your water connections, your fresh water connection, 16 gallon. And this is your city water connection. This here is your hot water tank. And all you have to do is push a button inside to get that working, hot water. This is your sink drain for, let's go around the back here. This is your galley kitchen. So that drain over there on the side was for the sink. Got a nice awning here in case it rains. We've got storage right up here. And a light. And a light down here too. 2-burner cook stove. We got more storage here. Nice sink with a cutting board. This is for your lights. And this is for your pump, water pump. And an electrical outlet here in case you want to plug something in. We got a microwave. Nice refrigerator. And it's you got a freezer. And this is a 3-way refrigerator, by the way. 3-way means it runs on a propane, electric, or 12-volt battery. That's it for the galley. Oh, in case you don't want to cook your burgers in the galley and make grease go all over, we've got a propane hookup here for your outdoor grill. By the way, I didn't mention that this unit weighs under 2,000 pounds. So you can tow this with a Jeep, a small SUV, even a minivan you can tow it with. We're gonna go inside now, but before we do, we got electrical outlet here, plug in, 110. Nice handle. We'll go inside. We got a nice bench, and this turns into a bed. This is what we call a gaucho sofa bed. So I'm going to show you how this works. You're going to just, right here, you're going to pull this out like this. Move these cushions. I'm 5'9", and I've got plenty of room. 2 people can sleep on this. Okay, right down here, we've got a fire extinguisher and another 110 outlet. This is for your solar. We've got 100-watt solar on the roof. This is for your speakers, for your radio or TV. This is for your outdoor light switch and indoor lights. This is your plug for your air conditioning. You got a 5,000 BTU air conditioning unit. We also got a fan up here, inlet and outlet, 3-speed. This is your for your heat furnace temperature. And we got 2 USB ports here. And down here is your furnace. And here's your fuse box. Got the screen door here. Keep those bugs out. One thing that I didn't mention is this roof is walkable. This is a lippert for a ladder. This is an option. You can get the ladder. It's about $250 for the ladder, and you can actually walk on that roof. You've got the canopy there and the roof rack, which holds a maximum of 500 pounds, and you've got your solar up there, so you can get up there and maintain those items. So I'm Leonard, and I want to thank you for watching the video from Sutton RV, and you're going to like it here.
Living each day at your own pace, moving down the road from place to place. We can make your dreams come true in your very